So we're going to create a new cell from scratch. There are a couple different options in the way that you can create a cell. So for this particular application or this instance, we're going to just use a Welding Pro type of application. There are other options, like you have Palette Pro, Welding Pro, and these are just like application specific things, and they give you special tools. So like Palette Pro gives you the ability to like do palette applications and set the orientation of boxes, give you box dimensions, all that good stuff. So we just hit next, next. Okay, from here, you can actually create this cell from a brand new, from scratch cell, or another thing you can do is a file backup. So if you see right here, you can create a robot from a file backup. What you need is an all the above backup out of the actual robot that you have, or a robot that you've worked with in the past. So this is the option right here, create a robot from a file backup. This is generally the way to go if you have an actual robot that you plan to load this into. Just because more things are going to align, more things are going to be appropriate. So you may have hardware that's not necessarily in the one you select here, but if you do an all the above backup and pull that from that robot, then you'll have all the proper hardware options and everything already built into that.